So each of us has this ability to be with divinity. And this idea that we could be distracted, that we are often distracted. We get tied up with the events of the day, or maybe we look on our phone and we're looking at social media, or maybe somebody is complaining or gossiping, or we're doing the complaining or gossiping. So all these things can be distractions. And one of the problems we have is we don't know if we're distracted or if that's what we're supposed to be doing. So not to expect to know the difference. So, but if you have the question, is that right? Is that the right thing for me to be doing? Well, that is a memory, and we can clean with that. So we experience some event that we then categorize as, okay, that was a distraction. And we want to clean with all those parts of that little pathway that we've just gone through in our experience, our memory, because we have no clue what part of that is purposeful, what part of that is a replay. And all we can do is clean in that moment so that we can say, I'm in the flow. Now, as long as we're saying, am I in the flow? I'm in the flow. No, I don't know. That's the question again. Okay, so we clean, and then we might experience that sense of profound awe, that sense of I'm in rhythm. I'm doing what's purposeful in this moment. And that's when divinity is willing to come closer. So we're able to experience divinity in our own being when we are in this flow, when we're feeling this sense of love and awe, which isn't to say if we're not feeling that, we can't do the cleaning. So let me say that in a positive way. We can do the cleaning no matter what we're feeling. So we're feeling good, we do the cleaning. We're feeling depressed, we're withdrawn, we do the cleaning. We're feeling distracted, we do the cleaning, because we don't know which is which. We don't know what is purposeful. And when we're in that flow, we're just walking forward. We're just doing what we do, and we're experiencing the world.